Ripple is a digital payment mechanism that is revolutionizing international money transfers. It is frequently confused with its cryptocurrency, which is referred to as XRP. Ripple provides a solution that is both quick and economical, in contrast to traditional solutions, which might extend the process by several days and incur significant fees. XRP, which is the original digital asset of the Ripple network, acts as a bridge between various currencies, which makes it possible for these transactions to take place. It is impossible to overestimate the significance of XRP in the exchange market for cryptocurrencies. The market capitalization of this digital currency places it among the top digital currencies, and it has been embraced by a variety of financial institutions all around the world. Ripple has been thrown back into the spotlight as a result of recent developments such as the rumored repurchase initiative by the Federal Reserve. These developments promise to have substantial consequences for Ripple's valuation, as well as the cryptocurrency ecosystem as a whole. Anyone who is interested in gaining a comprehensive understanding of the transformative story that is taking place in the world of finance must first have a solid understanding of Ripple and XRP. The Federal Reserve of the United States made the statement that it would be setting a buyback price of $17,382 for each XRP coin, which caused shockwaves to travel across the financial markets. This action, which has never been done before, is being interpreted as a powerful endorsement of Ripple's potential in the rapidly developing digital economy. The initial reaction of the market was a huge increase in the price of XRP, which was accompanied by an increase in trading volume as investors rushed to capitalize on the news. This buyback approach has been around for quite some time. Nevertheless, the fact that it has been applied to a cryptocurrency by a large federal agency such as the Federal Reserve is a groundbreaking development. Throughout the course of business history, buybacks have served as instruments for corporations to return money to shareholders, improve financial statements, or exercise control over their underlying shares. In comparison, this action taken by the Federal Reserve could be interpreted as a signal of a new era of monetary policy that actively deals with the rapidly developing sector of digital currencies. Immediately after the news of the buyback, Ripple's market valuation experienced a spectacular surge. Buyers and sellers, investors, in light of the new valuation measurements that were introduced as a result of the decision made by the Federal Reserve, both present and prospective investors were observed recalibrating their tactics. There was a significant increase in trading volume, and the price chart of XRP presented a fresh picture of positive tendencies and increased investor interest. With that being said, this spike is not only a market frenzy for the short term. According to the forecasts of analysts, the long-term ramifications have the potential to firmly establish Ripple as a dominant player in the cryptocurrency industry. A number of different financial models have been used to make projections, and those projections show that Ripple may experience prolonged growth and possibly stabilize at a new higher baseline. Change the landscape of investments and the dynamics of the market permanently. For the purpose of comprehending the immediate consequences of the Federal Reserve's announcement, it is necessary to do a comprehensive technical analysis of the movement of the price of XRP. Prior to the announcement, the price of XRP was trading within a range that was pretty constant. Nevertheless, the announcement served as a catalyst, propelling prices to far higher levels. When looking at the price charts, it is clear that numerous important levels of resistance and support have undergone major shifts. It is the level of resistance. The formerly formidable barrier, which was approximately $10, has been broken, and new levels are currently being tested. A new valuation floor for XRP has been indicated by the rise in support levels, which has also occurred. The use of predictive modeling that takes into account both historical data and current market trends indicates that there will be continuous volatility in the short term, but that those who retain long-term investments in XRP may be able to anticipate a potentially prosperous future. There are a variety of strategic considerations that led to the Federal Reserve's decision to repurchase XRP at such a high price. The primary purpose of this appears to be an endeavor to incorporate blockchain technology into the financial system of the United States in a more comprehensive manner, with the goals of improving efficiency and lowering the costs involved with money transactions. Additionally, the Federal Reserve is able to alleviate some of the systemic dangers that cryptocurrencies represent to the financial system by stabilizing and possibly controlling a significant portion of the cryptocurrency market. Moreover, this action places the United States in a position of leadership in the field of financial innovation, which has the potential to drive global standards and practices in the areas of digital banking and currency management. Having said that, the method is not devoid of potential detractors. According to the opinions of certain analysts, such interventions have the potential to skew the mechanics of the market and generate speculative bubbles, which result in instability. This huge financial transaction continues to be a focus of discussion among market analysts and economists, particularly with regard to its long-term ramifications. The repurchase of XRP by the Federal Reserve has global repercussions that extend well beyond the borders of the United States. A number of other prominent cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin and Ethereum, witnessed market changes as a result of investors readjusting their portfolios in response to the news. Central banks around the world, taking their cue from the Federal Reserve, might think about implementing similar interventions, which might result in a number of regulatory and market developments all over the world. In addition, this action has the potential to change the dynamics of international trade, particularly with regard to the manner in which international transactions are carried out. Considering that Ripple's technology is at the forefront of the industry, the effectiveness of international money transfers has the potential to significantly improve, which might potentially reshape the economic relationships and trade patterns surrounding the world. The regulatory environment surrounding cryptocurrencies has always been a difficult issue to solve, with different countries taking different approaches to the problem. The courageous action taken by the Federal Reserve might provide the impetus for a multitude of new laws that are designed to make the incorporation of cryptocurrencies into the global financial system more seamless. It is possible that this will result in a significant reduction in the legal problems that Ripple has been confronted with, notably with relation to the classification of XRP as its own security. Perhaps in the not-too-distant future, more standardized laws that are very clear and have the potential to assist stabilize the cryptocurrency market and promote greater institutional contributions. The environment is very different for investors after the announcement has been made. In order to successfully navigate this new terrain, it is necessary to recalibrate one's plans so that they concentrate not only on short-term profits but also on long-term potentials and consequences. As a result of the elevated prices and increased market attention, risk management becomes even more important. This is because such factors might lead to increased volatility. Additionally, it is recommended that investors diversify their assets, span a wide range of asset types in addition to the several cryptocurrencies that are currently in circulation. Ripple's technology has the potential to be integrated into mainstream finance, which might lead to a sustained demand for XRP. Long-term investment strategies should center their attention on this possible integration. There was a flurry of attention in the media in response to the announcement, which included coverage from conventional financial news agencies as well as specialized crypto publications. There was a wide range of coverage, with some individuals complimenting the forward-thinking attitude taken by the Federal Reserve, while others condemned it for being excessively assertive and having the potential to cause instability. The general public's attitude, as measured by social media platforms and cryptocurrency forums, has generally shifted toward positivity. Many people see this as a vindication of the role that Bitcoin will play in the future of finance. On the other hand, there were also voices of warning that reminded the community of the volatility that has occurred in the past and the risks that are connected with speculative trading. The decision made by the Federal Reserve has been met with a diverse array of responses from investors, financial analysts, and cryptocurrency specialists. Although there are those who believe it to be a brilliant move that has the potential to legitimate and stabilize cryptocurrencies, there are also those who warn about the unintended effects that could result from such mass market actions. The prospective effects on monetary policy, market dynamics, and the overall economic environment have also been analyzed by academic specialists, who have also provided their input. Through their observations, we gain a more profound comprehension of the potential long-term repercussions that could result from this unusual action. As we look back over history, we can see that there have been multiple instances of major buybacks. However, none of these cases fully reflect the magnitude and character of the move that the Federal Reserve has made with XRP. Studying these incidents from the past, on the other hand, can provide instructive insights. Take, for example, the fact that corporate buybacks have frequently resulted in short-term market boosts, but they have also prompted questions regarding long-term value and marketplace manipulation. If these lessons are applied to the current scenario with XRP,